In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Gmail to Taskbar. First, open Google Chrome. You will see the familiar interface of the browser with the address bar at the top. This step is essential because Google Chrome is the platform that will allow you to create a dedicated app for Gmail. Having Gmail as an app makes it easier to access your emails quickly without navigating through multiple tabs. Once you open Chrome, you are ready to move to the next step. Now go to Gmail by typing Gmail in the address bar and pressing Enter. You will be directed to the Gmail login page. If you are already signed in, you will see your inbox right away. This is an important step because it ensures you are logged into your account and ready to access your emails. If you're not signed in, simply enter your credentials. Once you are in your inbox, you are set to proceed. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. This icon represents the Chrome menu and provides various options for customization and management. You will see a drop-down menu appear. This menu is crucial because it contains the options you need to create a shortcut for Gmail. You can explore this menu later for other useful features, but right now focus on the next option you will select. From the drop-down, click on Cast, Save and Share, then Install Page as App or Create Shortcut. If you see Create Shortcut, make sure to check Open as Window. This selection is important because it allows Gmail to function as a standalone application, providing a more focused email experience. By choosing this option, you minimize distractions from other browser tabs. Once you make your selection, you're almost there. Now click Create. After you do this, a new window will pop up confirming the creation of your Gmail app. This step is vital as it finalizes the process of turning Gmail into an app on your system. It keeps your changes saved and ensures that you can access Gmail quickly in the future. You will see the Gmail interface open up as a dedicated app. At this point, Gmail will open as an app. You will notice that it looks and behaves like a standard application on your computer. This is a significant improvement because it allows you to manage your emails without the clutter of a web browser. You can easily switch between your apps and Gmail will be right there. Now, you are very close to pinning this app to your taskbar. Next, right-click the Gmail icon on the taskbar. This action opens another menu specific to the taskbar icon. You will see several options, including the ability to pin the app. This is an important action because pinning will make Gmail accessible at all times with just one click. No more searching for it in your browser. Finally, click Pin to Taskbar. You will notice that the Gmail icon stays on the taskbar, ensuring easy access. This little step saves you a lot of time later by making your email available whenever you need it. You can now open Gmail with a single click, streamlining your email management process. With that, you have successfully pinned Gmail to your taskbar. You can now enjoy a faster and more organized way of accessing your emails. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks.